Welcome guys to the final level where I would explain you the concepts that you have learned in the previous levels. Hope you have enjoyed the series. In this level, I would also try to explain you how I personally trade and analyze the markets using those concepts that you guys have learned. So hope you enjoy the video from here. As you guys know that there are a lot of different sectors in the Indian stock markets and in the Indian economy. So before you directly jump onto trading the Indian markets, you should be aware about different stocks and companies available in the markets. So for that, as I have said that you guys should require a trading account. So I use Interactive Brokers. So that is an advanced trading platform. But since you guys are at a very beginner level, you could use Trade Tiger, which is provided by Sharekhan, which is also one of the better trading platforms available in the Indian market. So those platforms would help you guys to know about different companies and sectors and will give you all information about the Indian markets. So let's hop on to that trading platform of Trade Tiger. This is how trading software Trade Tiger looks. You could see a lot of tabs and information on the software. Don't worry, it's extremely easy to use. I'll be explaining you some of the basic usage of the software. On the top of the software, you could see Nifty and Sensex, the report card of the Indian markets. Now you could see a lot of tabs such as Home, Market Watch, Reports, Tools, News and Events and so on. When you click on the Market Watch tab, you could see NSE and BSE. So when you click on NSE, which is National Stock Exchange tab, you will find a lot of indices and sub-indices listed onto that tab, such as Nifty Bank, Nifty Auto, Nifty FMCG, Nifty 100, 200, Pharma and so on. So when you click on Nifty Auto, you will be able to see the list of stocks which are related to auto sector and that will be displayed on the screen. Similarly, on clicking on Nifty Bank, you will see stocks related to banking sectors displayed on the screen. With the help of such trading platforms, it becomes extremely easy for us when we want to know list of stocks listed on NSE and BSE. Now, we'll move on how to use charts on such platforms. So when you click onto the tab of a chart and click on New, a chart would open up. Then you could change the script and select the stock which you want to see. Or you could also double click on a stock of a chart and that stock would open up. Before I show you how do we use charts, this is how your setup of trading system should be. You should have at least 10 charts opened up on your screen so that it becomes very easy for you to watch different stocks during live market hours. So let's go back on how do we analyze the markets with the help of a chart. Before you want to invest your money into the market, it is necessary that you use technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Since we are on to the technical analysis, that is analyzing charts, one needs to always start first by analyzing the report card, that is the chart of Nifty. When one opens up the chart, one should first maneuver to the entire chart, in and out. One should just see how that particular stock is moving from its inception up till now. This gives an idea about crowd behavior for that particular stock. One should start analyzing the stock with the very first step of identifying trends. Then moving on to patterns, if any, such as triangle or NRF. Then one should use Japanese candlestick charts to analyze the chart. We can see that the Nifty is an uptrend for long term, mid term and short term. We can also see impulse and retracement moves on the chart of Nifty. One must always keep on toggling between line and candlestick chart. What we are seeing right now is a daily chart. That means one day, one candle. Or a daily line chart, which records only the closing prices for the particular days. When you press number 5 on the keyboard, you could see intraday charts opening up. That means a single day price chart opening from 9:15 a.m. in the morning till 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon. And with the help of this intraday chart, a candle is formed for that particular day, which is represented on daily charts. So for last 3 days, you can see spinning top on Nifty. which means that there is confusion in the markets. That is confusion on the report card, that is Nifty. And hence, one needs to be cautious while investing in the overall markets. After analyzing the chart of Nifty, you should then analyze the chart of the sub-indices. Nifty gives you overall emotion of the market. Analyzing sub-indices, example Nifty Auto, Nifty Bank, Nifty Pharma, gives you an idea of what is happening in that particular sector. After analyzing particular sectors, then you look at stocks so that you know whether you want to invest in that particular stock or that particular sector. So for example, say I want to put my money into Maruti, as a stock of Maruti. Now I have already analyzed Nifty, the report card of the Indian markets, and I know that there is confusion in the markets. So before directly putting my money into the Maruti, I would open up Nifty Auto chart. In this chart, I can see 3 inverse hammers, which indicates that there is huge selling happening at higher level. So now I know that there is confusion in Nifty, selling in Nifty Auto. So I have to be very cautious. So after analyzing the index and the sub-index, now we must analyze that particular stock. So let's go on to Maruti. So now on maneuvering over the chart of Maruti in and out, you could see that Maruti's movement is excellent. If one had invested in Maruti, then one would have made a lot of money. As we can see that the trends, long term, mid term and short term, is also up. But on analyzing the last few candles, that is 3 to 4 days candles, we could see spinning top, 2 red LRCs. Plus we know that Nifty and Nifty Auto, there's a lot of confusion and selling off. So even in Maruti, there is selling off. So concluding at this stage, I will not put money in Maruti and I would wait for it to retrace. And then use demand and supply concepts to mark up to which levels Maruti could retest and set my alarms. Similarly, this is what one should do for every stock before investing in it.